guys, Ascal 45 here. Hey, I know we've been on hiatus for about 2 months now. Sorry about that. It gets real hot here in the desert. Past month and a half or so, it was 3 digits, triple digits. So here we are back in the desert for another gun video or another range review. This time it's gonna be on the Sig Mosquito 22 long rifle. What a great gun. We just shot about 30 rounds through it, and we are using Remington golden bullets. So far 30 rounds, no issue. Let's load up and let's see what we got. So I picked this gun up for about $160. Yeah, they say it was secondhand, but I'm not really seeing anything on there. I mean, it came with everything: the lock, the manual, two springs, one for lightweight and another one for heavier bullets. But so far 30 rounds, no problem. Let's shoot another 10 and then we'll talk more about it. Here we go. Now, this is a 90% scaled down version of the Sig P226 or 220. I'm not really sure which one it is, but it has everything that came in that full-size pistol. Takedown, date cocker, safeties up here, trigger. Now the thing I don't really like about this gun is that it's a double action, single action pistol with a hammer. On the single action or a double action, that trigger pull is heavy. They say it's about 12 to 13 pounds, and I'm saying it's probably correct. But on the single action, I would say, I'm not going to pull it because you're not supposed to dry fire at 22, but I would say about 3 to 4 pounds, so it makes up for it. So let's load up. We're shooting at red plates. They're about 10 yards, 10 inch and an 8 inch. We're just shooting at the 10 inch for now. Let's see how the Remington golden bullets run. Alright, so let's try out the safety on it. Take the safety off. Let's see if that functions. Safety functions. Double action pull. Let's see if that works. Ooh, very nice. Now again, a double action pull. Man, that is heavy. That is heavy. Single action. Let's decock. Cock's good. Don't let it go off, thank goodness. Again, double action. So far 40 rounds flawless. John's gonna kill the video and then I'm gonna load up more and then we'll do more shooting. So, 22 long rifle pistols, they say it's good for training. So if you had a full size on this Sig 226 or 220, I'm not too sure which one it is. They say that this is a good option for training, but at a lower cost. Instead of shooting the 9mm, you're shooting a 22 long rifle. Before I got this gun, I actually did a lot of research on it. They say it's a little iffy with other ammos, but so far Remington golden bullets has run flawless on it. This is the 50th round on here, or the 5th magazine. So far, no problems, no hiccups whatsoever. And again, I had the lightweight spring, so here we go. Let's keep going. So Sig Mosquito, what do I think about? Well, first 50 rounds, so far so good. John himself shot it and he approves. We were thinking about flipping this gun. We got it about $160. We were thinking about asking for a little bit more for ammo purposes, but we might just be keeping it. Hey guys, please share, like, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this pistol, comment down below. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. After this, we will be doing more shooting. I mean, with John, I'll post more of him shooting this weapon just to show you guys how great this gun actually is. Thanks, guys. All right, shoot. Cover. Next target. Nice. Cover. Target. Nice. One more. Nice. Empty. Very good. Finger off the trigger. Show me you're unloaded. That one. Show me the gun.